Hello and welcome to another episode of Outdoor Defense. This week I want to discuss the concept of doing what you can. And what I mean by that is you might find yourself in a situation that you have to respond within a split second to something that could be possibly uncomfortable, or maybe it's something where you're experiencing violence or something that is escalating to violence. And you might only have a split second to make a decision about what to do. And I'm here to give you some encouragement, and that is whatever you do in the moment that gets you out safely is the right thing to do. The whole purpose behind what I teach with Girls Fight Back and the work that I do with Impact Personal Safety and these outdoor defense episodes is to help give you some additional options and tools for your toolbox so that in those moments you have more choices about what you can do. But it's not about what you should do, it's about what you can do. You might only have a moment to make a quick decision about how to handle this situation. But whatever you do, just understand you're doing what you think is best based on your situation and how you are feeling and your state of mind that day, which we all change throughout the days and the weeks and the months. So you're doing what you think is best in the moment, and that's the best that you can do, and that's all you can do, and that's all that matters. So I just wanted to give you that encouragement here, and I hope that these videos are helping you to feel more confident being able to make choices and respond to danger and violence if you ever need to in a way that feels empowering for you. All right, thanks so much for watching, and see you next time on Outdoor Defense.